Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. I'm so pumped to show you guys a few work from home, online school, Zoom meetings, just more like cozy, more casual outfits that are really great for wearing around the house, but also you could throw on a really cute coat and be out the door in some of them. I also want to show you guys a few of my favorite matching sets because I know that a lot of us are in the market for a really good one. And also let me know which one was your favorite look because I'm always curious about what that one is. So let's just get to the outfits. Monday, y'all. I know either we hate Monday or we love Monday, but I like to start the week off strong with wearing an oversized pair of denim. That's the key to wearing denim at home, guys. You gotta wear it oversized. It's way more comfortable. This is such like a Hailey Bieber inspired look. It's comfy, it's cozy. And then this one with the hoodie. I think it's another great idea for a Monday because it's like the perfect transitional outfit from the end of the weekend to the start of the week. And then those who have the Sunday scaries, like I sometimes do, it's okay. You can wear joggers, you can wear sweatpants. And I think this is really great, again, for online school. Maybe you don't have any video calls today where you have to look a little more profesh. But if you have to head out the door, this is a really great menswear jacket. I just took it from my boyfriend, and honestly, they're really easily thriftable too. Tuesday, I always still feel like I have to get my hustle on, so a button-up shirt is just so great for this. I have it here, it's thrifted. I love the jogger paired with it. This is so like professional on the top, but comfy on the bottom. I know all of us who are doing Zoom meetings or classes right now can appreciate that look. If you want to dress it up, a pair of denim is also great. I just got these at Kensington Market and they're amazing. And again, oversized, so super, super comf. I wear this look all year round. It's so great. Wednesday, it's hump day, which means we have to get over the hump over here. And I think these are the perfect Wednesday pants. They are my split flare leggings. So they're actually leggings, but they look like trousers, which is incredible. With this little quarter zip, I think it's like the perfect like midweek outfit because I know we like to slow down around now. Oh, this knit sweater too is so great. Like, how professional does this outfit look? Even though it's all completely like soft. There's no rigidness here, but it looks professional. Thursday. Okay guys, we're almost at the end of the week. The work week at least. And I think that a black boot just dresses up everything. Again, with the same pair of denim, a loose knit crew neck. This is such a happy medium between like comfy, but like a little bit more put together. I love looks like this. This is the uniform. Also, I want to show you guys how I'm wearing my cardigan as a top because I think it's a really great alternative for a hoodie or a crew neck, you know. It makes you feel a little bit nicer. Friday, we are done the work week or the school week. So I think this calls for a casual Friday. I just have this thermal knit long sleeve. I think it's such a great go-to if you're unsure of what to wear because, guys, white long sleeves always look nice. And then I also have this thrifted sweater. If you're thrifting, I think these are really great to look out for because they're so comfy. I think that they're really great, look more expensive than they actually are because you got them at the thrift store. And with a pair of running shoes, it's a really great end of the week outfit. Saturday. Okay, so I know some people do appointments on Saturday, some people run errands. I decided to do a split pair of leggings again with this wrap sweater from Revolve. It's very ballerina inspired. It's so cute and also very, very comfortable. I always lounge around the house and stuff like this. And then I also have this look, which is more for like Netflix binging. I love this set. It's one of my favorites right now. It's super, super comfortable and affordable, so I will link it in the description box. Sunday, you've made it. This is my favorite outfit. I saved the best for last. This is so like a self-love outfit. I love watching The Bachelorette in this outfit. I love just hanging around reading a book. It's so comfy. I get why these are popular. It just makes sense. They're the coziest things ever. And then I wanted to finish it with one of my favorite sweatsuits right now. This is another Sunday look. If I were to run errands or just chill around the house, I will have this TNA sweatsuit linked because I love this style. The girls got this for me for my birthday and I haven't taken it off since. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope this served some inspiration for you guys when it comes to your casual at-home looks. You guys know I'm a big believer in changing out of your pajamas for the work or school day, even if you're spending most of that day at home. Again, I hope you guys are staying safe and well, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.